Welcome to our exploration of the breathtaking wonders of New Zealand, a land renowned for its stunning landscapes and unique experiences that captivate travelers from around the globe. In this video, we will take you on a journey through some of the most amazing places this beautiful country has to offer, showcasing its diverse natural beauty, rich culture, and thrilling adventures. From the majestic peaks of the Southern Alps to the serene beaches of the North Island, New Zealand is a treasure trove of awe-inspiring sights. We'll delve into iconic destinations like the breathtaking Milford Sound, where towering cliffs meet crystal-clear waters, and the geothermal wonders of Rotorua, known for its bubbling mud pools and vibrant Maori culture. But it's not just about the landscapes. We'll also highlight unique experiences that make New Zealand truly special. Whether it's hiking through lush rainforests, exploring the vibrant cities of Auckland and Wellington, or indulging in world-class wine in the Marlborough region, there's something for everyone in this enchanting land. As we guide you through these top destinations and activities, prepare to be inspired by the natural beauty and adventure that await you in New Zealand. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the wonders of this incredible country that promises unforgettable memories and breathtaking views at every turn. Join us as we embark on this exciting journey through New Zealand's most amazing places. The majestic Fiordlands. Welcome to Fiordland National Park, a breathtaking UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcases some of the most stunning fjords and waterfalls in the world. This remarkable region is renowned for its dramatic landscapes, where towering cliffs plunge into deep blue waters, creating a mesmerizing backdrop for adventure and exploration. Among the park's iconic locations, Milford Sound stands out as a must-visit destination, often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. Here, you can marvel at the majestic Mitre Peak and witness the cascading waterfalls that flow from the cliffs, especially during the rainy season when they come alive. Another gem of the Fiordlands is Doubtful Sound, a more tranquil and less visited fjord that offers a serene escape into nature. Accessible only by boat or plane, this hidden paradise invites you to explore its untouched beauty. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty to do here, from kayaking through the calm waters to hiking along scenic trails that reveal breathtaking vistas. Scenic cruises are also popular, allowing visitors to soak in the stunning surroundings while keeping an eye out for the unique wildlife that calls this area home. The Fiordlands are teeming with life, including playful dolphins, majestic seals, and rare bird species like the kiwi and the kea. The pristine nature and diverse ecosystems make this region a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Whether you're seeking thrilling outdoor activities or simply want to bask in the beauty of the fjords, Fiordland National Park promises an unforgettable experience in one of New Zealand's most awe-inspiring landscapes. Aoraki, Mount Cook National Park. Welcome to Aoraki, Mount Cook National Park, home to New Zealand's highest peak and a breathtaking landscape that captivates all who visit. This stunning alpine region is characterized by its dramatic mountain scenery, with towering peaks, glacial valleys, and pristine lakes that reflect the beauty of the surrounding environment. As the sun sets, the park transforms into a stargazer's paradise, with clear night skies revealing a dazzling display of stars, making it one of the best places in the world for astrophotography and stargazing. One of the most popular ways to experience the park's beauty is by hiking the renowned Hooker Valley Track. This relatively easy trail takes you through lush valleys and across swing bridges, leading to the stunning Hooker Lake, where you can enjoy breathtaking views of Aoraki, Mount Cook and its surrounding glaciers. The track is accessible year-round, making it a favorite for both casual walkers and avid hikers. For those seeking more adventure, Aoraki, Mount Cook National Park offers incredible opportunities for mountaineering and glacier exploration. Experienced climbers can tackle the challenging routes up Mount Cook itself, while guided glacier walks provide a unique chance to explore the icy landscapes and learn about the fascinating geology of the area. Whether you're hiking through the valleys, gazing at the stars, or scaling the peaks, Aoraki, Mount Cook National Park promises an unforgettable experience filled with natural beauty and adventure. This remarkable destination is a true testament to New Zealand's stunning alpine heritage. The vibrant city of Auckland. Welcome to Auckland, the largest city in New Zealand, where a rich tapestry of diverse cultures and stunning landscapes come together to create an exciting urban experience. As you explore this vibrant metropolis, you'll encounter iconic landmarks that define its skyline, such as the Sky Tower, which stands tall at 328 meters and offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city and beyond. The Auckland Harbour Bridge is another must-see, connecting the city to the North Shore and providing thrilling opportunities for bungee jumping and scenic walks. Auckland is a cultural melting pot, and its local markets and art galleries reflect this diversity. Visit the bustling Auckland Fish Market for fresh seafood and local delicacies, or explore the vibrant Victoria Park Market, where you can find unique crafts and artisanal products. The city is also home to numerous art galleries, including the Auckland Art Gallery Toi Tamaki, which showcases an impressive collection of New Zealand and international art, making it a cultural hub for art enthusiasts. For those who love the outdoors, Auckland offers a plethora of activities to enjoy. The city's stunning coastline invites you to go sailing in the sparkling waters of the Hauraki Gulf, where you can take in the breathtaking views of the city from the sea. Additionally, nearby islands like Waiheke and Rangitoto are perfect for day trips, offering beautiful beaches, hiking trails, and vineyards to explore. With its iconic landmarks, rich cultural experiences, and outdoor adventures, Auckland is a dynamic city that promises unforgettable memories for every visitor. The enchanting Rotorua. Welcome to Rotorua, a captivating destination renowned for its geothermal activity and rich Maori culture. This vibrant city is a true wonderland, where the Earth's natural forces create stunning geothermal features that leave visitors in awe. One of the most famous attractions is the Pohutu Geyser, which erupts up to 30 meters high, providing a spectacular display of nature's power. The area is also dotted with bubbling mud pools and steaming hot springs, such as those found in the Waiōtapu Thermal Wonderland, where vibrant colors and unique formations create a surreal landscape. Rotorua is not only a hub of geothermal wonders but also a center for authentic Maori cultural experiences. Visitors can immerse themselves in the rich traditions of the Maori people by attending a traditional cultural performance, where you can witness captivating haka dances and hear the enchanting sounds of the poi. These performances often culminate in a traditional hongi feast, where food is cooked underground, offering a delicious taste of Maori cuisine that reflects the region's heritage. For adventure seekers, Rotorua offers an array of thrilling activities to get your adrenaline pumping. Experience the excitement of zorbing, where you roll down a hill inside a giant inflatable ball, or explore the stunning landscapes on a mountain biking adventure through the Whakariwariwa Forest, known for its world-class trails. With its geothermal wonders, vibrant Maori culture, and exhilarating adventure activities, Rotorua promises an unforgettable experience that showcases the unique beauty and spirit of New Zealand. Whether you're seeking relaxation or adventure, this enchanting destination has something for everyone. The stunning Bay of Islands. Welcome to the Bay of Islands, a breathtaking paradise that beckons water lovers and nature enthusiasts alike. This stunning region is made up of over 140 islands, each offering its own unique charm and pristine beaches, perfect for relaxation and unwinding. Whether you're lounging on the soft sands of Paihia or exploring the secluded coves of Urupakapuka Island, the Bay of Islands provides a serene escape into nature's beauty. For those seeking adventure, the Bay of Islands is a playground for a variety of water activities. Sailing is a popular choice, allowing you to glide across the sparkling waters while taking in the breathtaking scenery. Fishing enthusiasts can cast their lines in search of snapper and kingfish, while dolphin watching tours offer the chance to encounter these playful creatures in their natural habitat. The bay is home to a resident population of dolphins, making it a memorable experience for visitors of all ages. Beyond its natural beauty, the Bay of Islands holds significant historical importance. The Waitangi Treaty Grounds, located in the heart of the region, is where the Treaty of Waitangi was signed in 1840, marking the beginning of New Zealand as a nation. Visitors can explore the grounds, learn about the treaty's impact on New Zealand's history, and view the impressive Maori war canoe and the Treaty House. With its stunning islands, pristine beaches, exciting water activities, and rich history, the Bay of Islands is a must-visit destination that promises unforgettable experiences and lasting memories in the heart of New Zealand. As we wrap up our journey through the wonders of New Zealand, it's clear that this incredible country offers a wealth of breathtaking landscapes and unique experiences that cater to every type of traveler. From the majestic fjords of Fiordland National Park to the stunning peaks of Aoraki, Mount Cook, and the vibrant culture of Auckland to the geothermal marvels of Rotorua, New Zealand is a treasure trove of natural beauty and adventure. Key takeaways from our exploration include must-visit locations such as the iconic Milford Sound, the enchanting Bay of Islands, and the rich historical significance of the Waitangi Treaty Grounds. Each destination provides its own distinct charm and opportunities for unforgettable experiences, whether it's hiking, sailing, or immersing yourself in Maori culture. We encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel for more exciting content about New Zealand and its wonders. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up to help us reach more viewers who are eager to discover the beauty of this remarkable country. Additionally, we invite you to share this video with friends and family who might be planning their own adventures in New Zealand. Exploring related content on our channel will further enhance your understanding and appreciation of this stunning destination. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope to see you again as we continue to uncover the wonders of New Zealand and beyond.